Businesses have a huge expenditure as well as costing in promoting their business using meta ads. And they don't want to lose the leads that is constantly generated through those ads. It's really important that every lead that is generated through your promotion should be created as systematic record in your business so that later you can connect with the lead. But if you are doing this manually, you have hired a team to do the task, they will miss out on some of the leads because there are errors when you do these things manually. I have created this setup on the other hand that whenever for my business a new Facebook lead is generated, automatically you will see the leads record is automatically added in my Google Sheets. No one is entering the data manually. That means no missing out on leads. With that, you can create the setup without need of any technical coding and programming skills, saving your time. So now, first of all, let me show you how this setup is actually going to work. I will generate a new Facebook lead in the name of test.person with this phone number in front of you. You will see the same lead will be created as a record in my Google Sheets. So let me generate the lead right here. As soon as this lead is going to be generated, if I'll open my Google Sheets, you will see in front of you itself, the record of that same lead is going to be created, test.person with the phone number. As soon as the lead was generated, you saw the lead's data is kept as a record in the same spreadsheet. This is how this setup is going to work for your business as well. So without wasting any more of our time, I'm going to show you how you can create this setup for your business and save a lot of time in your business as well. So let's move on to the creation of this amazing setup. So now to create this amazing setup, I use this automation tool in the name of Pabbly Connect, with the help of which whenever I want to create an automation for some use cases, I create the setup using the software without need of any technical coding and programming skills very easily, and my work is automatically completed through the setup. So now if you want to create such amazing automations for your business, you can use Pabbly Connect from today. For that, on a new tab, search for www.pabbly.com/connect. If you want to test for free that how this workflow or the how setup is actually going to be created inside Pabbly Connect, you can sign up for free from here. You will receive 100 free tasks every single month. Using the tasks, you can create automation, test it out from your end, and then you can purchase a yearly or one-time plan of Pabbly. Now, if you're thinking of purchasing a yearly or one-time plan, I have a gift just for all of you guys. Use the code on the left side of my screen. I have used the code. I got the most amazing discount using the code. So go ahead, use the code, purchase a plan and automate your business workflows. The code is going to get you maximum discounts and it's for the limited time only. Now I'm already a user. I've signed in and I have already created the template of this workflow. If you want this template that I'm using in this video, check out the free link in the description section below. Now my first setup trigger is Facebook lead ads new lead instead. Go to this connect option, go to add new connection and click on this connect with Facebook lead ads button. Now you need to continue with this Facebook account from here, as this is a safe process and it is completely safe with Pabbly Connect. The connection was super easy because I've already created and logged in to my Facebook account on a new tab. Okay, now you have to select the page with the help of which you're promoting your business. I'm promoting my business using the page digital dynamics, so I will select this page from the drop down, and then you have to select the form with the help of which you're collecting your leads data. This is my form with the help of which I'm doing that. I want the simple response, and then I'm going to click on this even send test request button. It says waiting for webhook response. So now to check whether Facebook lead ads is connected to Pabbly Connect or not, again I will generate a new test lead in front of you and check whether my trigger captures the response of the test lead been generated or not. Okay, so now first of all, for the name of my lead, I'll write over here as Prime. For the last name, I'll write over here user. For the email, I'll write over here as prime@pabblytunes.com, and for the phone number, I'm going to enter a dummy phone number and generate the lead from here. As soon as now this lead is generated in my Google Sheet, in my Pabbly Connect trigger, you will see the response of the same lead is going to be captured. It will usually take 5 to 10 seconds for the response to arrive, so you have to wait. Prime user, prime@pabblytunes.com with the same phone number. So as now the response is captured, Facebook lead ads is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now let's add the leads data in our Google Sheets. For that, my action is Google Sheets add new row. Go to this connect option, go to add new connection section and click click on this sign in with Google button. Then select the account with the help of which you have created your spreadsheet from here. Then it is asking for the permission for the account, for which click on this allow button, as this is a safe process and my data is completely safe with Pabbly Connect. First, you have to select the spreadsheet, for which I'm going to select leads details, because in this spreadsheet I'm creating the record and the sheet in the name of sheet 1. Now for the data of these fields, I will map the data. Mapping is inserting data from the previous step. Where you want to map the data, add a slash. Previous step is going to appear where search for the data. First name and the last name of my lead is here, which I want to keep as a record. So I'll select the data of the first name and the last name from my previous response, which makes this data mapped in dynamic. Now whenever a new response will be captured in the previous step, automatically the new data will be captured in place of this mapped data. So I'm going to simply map the data of the other details over here as well. So I've done that. Clicked on this button. You will see I've received this response, which is a positive response, and in my Google Sheets you will see the record of the same lead as created, prime user. So as now the record is created, the connection between these two applications is now completed. Now whenever using your Facebook lead ads, a new lead will be generated, automatically the record of the leads details will be created in Google Sheets. You don't have to hire an entire team to do the simple job. Create the setup once and start using automation forever. So this was it for this video, guys. If you have any questions or doubts related to the setup, comment down below. I will reply to all your queries. Thank you so much for watching.
Not just this connection, you can create multiple other automations using Pabbly Connect. If you want to know about the different plans that Pabbly Connect provides you, you can check out the link given over here. And if you have any queries related to it, you can email us on sales@pabbly.com. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below and we'll reply to you as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel and thank you so much for watching.